Once in a vibrant kingdom, there resided a woodcutter. His name was Amar, and he was known for his exceptional skill and his cherished pet, which name was Sparkle. And Sparkle was a parrot, and he was not an ordinary bird. He possessed remarkable intelligence and charming personality. One day, Amar was not feeling well. He told his wife after coming back home. When his wife asked, "Why are you not feeling well?" Amar said, "Because today, due to my mistake, our Sparkle has caught injury." His wife said, "First, we will do bandage to our Sparkle, then we will take our dinner." Then they both took dinner after bandaging their pet. Same night, a thief came into his house and saw the valuable and talkative parrot. The thief seized the opportunity and stole the parrot. When they woke up, they saw the cage was empty. Amar started searching tirelessly for parrot. Days turned into weeks, but there was no sign of Sparkle. Determined to find his friend, Amar decided to seek the king's help. The king, who was known for his fairness and kindness, king said, "I will search the parrot by myself." The king dispatched the kingdom and started searching for the missing parrot. Meanwhile, in a distant part of the kingdom, the parrot saw the king one day, and he started shouting, "King, honorable king, my king, I need your help." King started looking here and there, but he couldn't find the parrot. And suddenly his eye fell on the parrot. King caught the parrot and announced that thief will remain behind the bar for whole life. King decided to keep parrot with himself due to his wit and intelligence. Woodcutter allowed it and said, "King, you helped me and I gifted it to you." One day the parrot went to garden. One day parrot went to garden with Queen, and Queen saw a brightly tree there, and she came near to that tree. When she came near to that tree, suddenly she disappeared. Parrot got petrified after seeing this, and he ran towards King to inform him. King came and he decided to go near that tree. He came closer to that tree and he also disappeared. When the king entered that tree, he saw his queen was kidnapped by a witch. The witch said, let's fight. Who will win, that will get the queen back." Fight started, and after some time, King won the fight and he got his queen back. Then the king came back to that tree, and thanks to parrot that due to its intelligence we are able to get our queen back.